Hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's well. All right, guys, we do have some more confirmed BoxyCharm October spoilers. So there is going to be two variants here I'm going to show you. Now, you're either going to get one or the other. But now these two items you cannot choose between. I know they put some kind of an email on, but they are correcting something. I will show you the two items you can choose in between. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos, and sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now guys, let's read the first comment on my last video, which was trying on clothes my neighbor gave me. Hand-me-down haul. Congratulations, Allie Hill. Allie says, hi, hun. I thought that was innovative and cool. Keep up the good work. Well, Allie, thank you so much. You know, I do come up with some good ideas every once in a while. And I really appreciate you having your bell on. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. Now, guys, if you yourself would like to get a shout out, you got to leave a comment on this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I picked. You never know. I might pick you. Now, stay tuned till the end when I read a comment that I picked from that video. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and jump into these two new spoilers. These are confirmed. And again, these are not choice spoilers, but these are variations. So you'll either get one or the other. The first one is Smashbox Always On Liquid Liner. You will get that, or Paula's Choice Exfoliant. And again, I don't know. I heard about something about some email. I don't know. But these items you cannot choose between. But these other two you can. These are choice items. The next things, and we already know about these spoilers, is the iconic London Spray or the Touch and Soul Glassy Skin Balm. Now those two items you can choose between. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And of course, guys, as always, BoxyCharm will be linked below if you do want to go check them out. Now let's read the comment that I picked from my last video. Congratulations, Ann McCartney. Ann says, love the video and the clothes were free. The best price. Have a great week. Well, Ann, honey, you are right. That is my favorite price on clothing, or actually anything for that matter. But I do appreciate you taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. All right, guys, so remember, if you want a shout out, make sure to leave a comment on this here video. And guys, make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's trying to take my subscribers, likes, comments, everything. They're taking it all from me. They're just trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do. But if you would double check that, make sure you're still subscribed. And if you're not, well, why the hell not? I mean, I guess we'll just all wait right here and wait on you to hit that button. You better go on down there and hit that subscribe button. I mean, it's 100% free, and it's a gift from me to you, and it's rude not to accept a gift, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that subscribe button. Then, guys, I need you to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button, because the thumbs down button quit working long time ago, and YouTube refuses to fix it. You know, they're slow at everything, but they won't fix that for some reason. I mean, really, it just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking, what I need to do more of. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set to on. That way you don't miss no more of my videos. I mean, none of them. You won't miss no spoilers at all. And I don't want to see no comments down there saying, well, I didn't see no damn spoilers. Because, honey, if you would have had your bell on, you would have seen them. And that's it, y'all. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so, so much. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.